Ah, welcome, welcome! You there, yes, you! Have you ever sat in a lecture and thought, wow, this could be fun if only the professor didn't sound like a robot running low on battery? Well, my friend, Lectorals is here to save the day. No more yawning, no more zoning out, just pure, mind-blowing knowledge delivered with a side of entertainment. We ask the big questions, like why do we drive on parkways and park on driveways? And we give you the answers with facts. And maybe a few explosions, safely animated of course. And if you want to learn about money, success, and why your online shopping addiction is actually economics, we got you covered. So what do we do at Lectorals? We make lectures fun, fast, and fantastic. And best of all, we're a community, meaning if you've got knowledge to share, you can be part of the Lectorals family too. Subscribe now, hit that like button, and get ready to actually enjoy learning, because here at Lectorals, we talk, you learn, and nobody naps. Oops, my bad. Welcome to Lectorals.